What's up, guys? My dance rehearsals right now. Just got here. Very sore and tired. So let's do this. What's up, guys? This is Akina, my amazing choreographer. She's the best. She taught me everything I know. So I would be a horrible dancer if it wasn't for Akina. Thank you.
Only the best for you, kid.
Thank you. Chosen, he's an amazing dancer. He also teaches me stuff.
Try to.
And I would be horrible if it wasn't for this guy as well. So
You won't be horrible, but
he's the man.
All right, you know, he wants to say that.
So today I'm rehearsing for my show in Boston tomorrow night. I'm very excited. I've never performed in Boston before. It's gonna be fun.
Okay, bomb. Wall, two, wall, and right. A lot of artists have their own specific talents and things that they do, which we just try to, you know, bring out and try to, you know, pull that to the surface so everybody can see how awesome they really are. Austin being one of those very awesome people who have a lot of, you know, awesome energy and awesome talents to show the world, so we shall be doing that. Now, the reason why I made this its own part is because now we gotta go to the ground a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get down and dirty.
Ayo, I got this girl so cool that you should know.
Oftentimes you have those artists where you have to kind of give them another pep talk and tell them that they're great, and I don't have to do that with Austin. He wants it, so it makes me work harder. It makes me want to bring in the best, you know, and only give him the best.
Stick it to yourself. Stick it to yourself. Stick it to yourself. Stick it to yourself. You throw it back, you should go stick it to yourself. You throw it back, you should go stick it to yourself. You throw it back, you should go stick it to yourself.
So far, we've done a lot of workouts and exercises and warm-ups. My abs are like jello right now, so we're doing work. Now we're gonna go run outside. So let's go.
Blazing heat. You understand blazing heat? Work for that water, man.
One more.
Pick up the pace, man.
Hi, I'm Ginger Salem, and I'm Austin Mahone's vocal coach, and we are getting ready for his big show in Boston, and we're going to be running his vocals today and getting him sounding great for all his fans out there. So we hope you enjoy his show, because he'll be working hard.
Mia.
Excellent.
Mia.
Good.
Mia.
That was really, really good.
Alright guys, so I just finished up a hard day's of work in the studio. I got to work with my vocal coach, Ginger, and I got to work on my routine for tomorrow, my performance in Boston, so I'm very excited. I'll see you guys there.
You're super hot, fire hot, something like the sun in the sky.